Hey, good people, how you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts. I got this little ugly mango seed that I had wrapped in a wet paper towel, and it mildewed on me because I believe I had too much water in the paper towel, so I was told to clean it off with some peroxide. So this is diluted peroxide that I use for my plants. I'm just going to clean it off a little bit because I'm going to try and open it up. Let's get that mildew off of there. That's nasty. Okay. This feels real gross. It feels real nasty. But I saw a video and they cut along this side of the seed or one of these sides. So I'm going to try and do that. And it says not to cut too deep, but just try to peel that away to get it open. So let's see. Oh no. Ooh. Okay, yeah, I don't want to damage the seed inside. It's opening up. Hold on. Let me get a little bit more of this fur off. Oh yeah. Oh, that's not too bad. Okay, I'm gonna try to go all the way down though. Let me go down a little further. I don't want to damage the seed inside. And I'm just using my wire cutters. I was gonna use some scissors, but I figured the seed was hard. So bear with me. Bear with me. I just don't want to cut the actual seed inside. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it's any good. I've had this for about a week, so I don't know if it's any good inside here or not. Oh, let's see what we got. Ooh, it's ugly. Oh, I think it's dead. I don't think it's any good. It's turning brown. That is the ugliest little thing. Gee whiz. Ew. I don't even want to touch it. It doesn't look good, y'all. Does it? Nope, I think I had it too long. Yuck. And they say you peel the skin off. Oh, this is nasty. I think it's dead. I don't think it's no good. You're supposed to peel this stuff off, but this thing is brown. So, it's a wrap on that. Doggone it. So the next mango that I eat, I'm told by David Corey to take care of the seed right away. Clean it off, open it up. Yeah, that's rotten. Ew. Okay, I tried. We're not planting that. It's not going to grow. That's really gross. Okay, this is compost, right? Yeah. Oh, look at that little ugly thing. Golly. That's okay. Peace out. I tried.